Now let's talk about if statements. Today we're going to talk about the if, the else if, and the else. See if statements as conditions. So if a condition is fulfilled, then the program needs to do something. So let's start off with the if statement. For this example, I'll create an integer. Let's call it health. Let's just set it to 100 for now. So think of this as the health for a game character. So to make an if statement, you type if, press the tab key twice, and inside these parentheses where it now says true, this is where you type your condition. So if our health is more than 75, then the console can write to us, you are in great shape. So right now, if we run the program, you are in great shape because our health is currently more than 75. But let's set it to 74, for instance. Now it says nothing because we told the console only to execute this line if our health was above 75. But let's just set it to 75 or above. We do it like this. So now it's more than or equal to 75. So now let's do a check if it's less than 75, what it needs to write. So we type else if, double press the tab key again. Else if our health is less than 75, you need healing. So right now our health is 74. Let's change it through that. Let's change our health to 74 and we need healing now. But what if we wanted a third condition? Right now, let's say our health is less than 75, but we're not in critical condition. Let's say we wanted a third condition to check for this. So let's say if our health is less than 10, we are in critical condition. So this is where we can use the AND keyword by using these double AND signs. If you do that, then it means AND. So if our health is less than 75 and our health is still above, let's say 10, you need healing. So now let's check for the third condition, which would say we were in a critical condition. So we'll type else. Notice that there's no parentheses after the else compared to the if or an else if. This is because what needs to be run inside these curly brackets right here, this will only run if none of these conditions are true. So this is the final check it makes. If one of these conditions are true, then it won't even check if this needs to be run. So this is only if the other conditions are false. So here we could say you are in critical condition. Because now if we set a health to, let's say 5, now our health is not this because it's not 75 or more, and it's less than 75, but it's not more than 10. So if we run the program now, you are in critical condition. So this is how you can check for two things in one condition. There's also a thing called OR. Let me just write how to do the AND here. AND is the double AND signs. If you want to do the OR check, you need to use these double straight bars. Now for the OR check, I'll just set my health back to 100. And we need to create a new integer called stamina. Let's set this to 40 for now. And now I'll just alter the statement a bit to check for the OR statement. So let's say if our health is less than 50 or stamina is less than 50, then the console could say you need either a health potion or some rest. Let's try and run this. You need either a health potion or some rest. As you can see, our health is not below 50, but it checks both of these. It checks the OR, so the stamina will be true even though this is false. So therefore it will still write the line even though our health is above 50. That's all I have for if statements. I hope this video helped you learn something new, and I'll see you in the next one.